That little orange light on your dash? You think it's just a quick heads up, maybe a loose gas cap. But the truth is, it's a desperate call for help. This simple glow is actually screaming about 6 dangers your car is facing right now. These issues don't just cost you money. They put your safety on the line every mile you drive. You need to know what that light really means before it's too late. Look, we've all done it. That little light pops on, and the first thing you think is, ugh, I'll get to it later. But that's a huge mistake. What starts as a small issue can turn into a massive, expensive headache really, really fast. I actually learned this the hard way. My old truck suddenly lost all its power while I was driving. I was pushing the gas pedal to the floor, and the truck would barely go 15 miles an hour. It was a super weird and honestly, a pretty scary feeling. And that's not even the worst that can happen. Your engine could just die completely, leaving you stalled at a red light or in the middle of traffic. That's just flat out dangerous. Even if the light turns off by itself, don't be fooled. The problem is almost always still there, just waiting. So, let's talk about what's really happening under the hood the moment that light comes on. Because even if the car feels totally normal, I guarantee you, it's already costing you money. The first hit is to your gas mileage. That light is a signal that your car's computer is getting bad information from a sensor somewhere. To protect the engine, the computer defaults to a safe mode. This usually means it starts running rich, dumping more fuel into the engine than it actually needs. You might not notice a change in performance right away, but you're making extra trips to the pump. You are literally burning cash every single mile you drive with that light on. But wasting gas is the least of your worries. The real financial disaster is the domino effect. Think of it like this. A small, cheap part starts to fail. Let's say it's an oxygen sensor, which isn't a hugely expensive fix. If you ignore it, that faulty sensor keeps feeding the engine the wrong fuel mixture. All that unburned fuel has to go somewhere, and it goes straight into your catalytic converter. This is where a small problem turns into a nightmare. That raw fuel basically cooks the inside of your catalytic converter, melting it down until it's completely destroyed. Suddenly, a repair that might have been a couple $100 has turned into one that costs thousands. The catalytic converter is one of the most expensive pollution control parts on your car, and you just let a cheap sensor take it out. This is the hidden tax of ignoring that light. It's not just one problem you're putting off. You're letting a small issue systematically destroy your car's most critical and most expensive components, one by one. But that slow burn damage is just one scenario. There's a much faster, much more violent way your engine can destroy itself. This is what happens when your check engine light starts flashing. A flashing light almost always means one thing: an active engine misfire. And a misfire is exactly what it sounds like. One of your engine's cylinders isn't firing correctly. Instead of a smooth, powerful explosion pushing the piston down, you get nothing, just a dead cylinder. Immediately, you'll feel it. The car will shake, shudder, and run rough. You'll notice a huge drop in power. You'll press the gas, but the car will barely respond, struggling to get up to speed. I heard a story from one driver whose truck suddenly lost all power and wouldn't go faster than 15 miles an hour. Imagine that happening when you're trying to merge onto a busy highway. It's not just a mechanical problem, it's a massive safety risk. If you keep driving, it gets worse. The car can start stalling out completely, at a red light, or even while you're moving. The engine just quits. But the real catastrophe is what's happening inside. Every single time that cylinder misfires, it's not just failing to create power. It's actively pumping raw, unburned gasoline straight into your hot exhaust system. That raw fuel hits the catalytic converter and instantly starts cooking it, melting the delicate honeycomb structure inside until it's a useless, melted brick. But the destruction doesn't stop there. That unburned fuel also washes the protective layer of oil off your cylinder walls. Now you have metal grinding directly against metal. This scores the pistons and can permanently damage the engine block itself. This is the point of no return. You're not looking at a simple repair anymore. You're looking at a complete engine rebuild or a full replacement, a repair that can cost more than the car is worth. And it all started with a flashing light you decided to ignore. But that catastrophic engine failure isn't even the scariest part. Because while your engine is destroying itself, it's putting your life on the line. The single most dangerous outcome of ignoring that light is a sudden, total loss of power while you're driving. One moment you're cruising along. The next, you press the gas and nothing happens. The car just refuses to accelerate. You're lucky if you can coast along at 15 miles an hour. Now, picture that happening when you're pulling out into busy traffic, or when you're in the fast lane trying to merge onto the freeway. You're suddenly in a 2-ton metal box that won't respond, with cars flying past you at 70 miles an hour. It's a terrifying and incredibly dangerous situation. You're no longer in control of your vehicle. And sometimes, it's even worse than just losing speed. The engine can just quit completely. Imagine you're driving down the highway and the engine just cuts out. No power steering, no power brakes. You're just coasting, trying to get to the shoulder before someone slams into the back of you. Or you're sitting at a red light, and when it turns green, your car is just dead. It won't start. It won't move. Now you're blocking an intersection, completely helpless, with angry drivers trying to swerve around you. These aren't rare, freak accidents. These are the direct, predictable consequences of an engine that's been screaming for help. When that light is on, your car is telling you it's become unreliable. It can fail at any second, without any warning. And when it does, it doesn't just cost you money for a tow truck. It could cost you and your passengers everything. That little orange glow on your dash isn't just a suggestion, it's a desperate cry for help. We've seen how ignoring it doesn't just waste your gas or damage parts. It can lead to your engine getting totally wrecked, costing you a fortune, or even worse. Because ultimately, that light is screaming about your safety. It warns you about sudden power loss, or your car just dying in traffic. These aren't minor glitches. They're real dangers that put you and your passengers at serious risk. The cost of ignoring these warnings isn't just financial. It's the peace of mind you lose, and the very real threat to your safety on the road. Don't wait until a small problem turns into a catastrophic breakdown. To stay ahead of these hidden warnings and make sure you're always in control behind the wheel, hit that subscribe button. We'll keep uncovering what your car is really trying to tell you, so you can drive with confidence and stay safe.